Okay, first I want to say thanks for taking the time to watch the video. My name is Jeff. The company is Belanger Solutions, and the point of the video is to show you how you can increase the value of your company. You're thinking about getting a website so you can promote yourself, and how do you get exposure on Google? Well, there's a couple of factors that come into play: content, backlinks, and citations. So we got your Facebook here. It looks like you guys do all aspects of construction: fencing, deck, kitchen, bath. No job too big or too small. So to kind of go over this a little bit and show you how this works, why are businesses or how do business websites get on the first page of Google and how do you get found? There's a lot of information that kind of comes into play here that not everybody's familiar with. So we'll start with the basics. Every time you type something here in the Google search bar, no matter what it is, it's considered a keyword. And Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit the search. So kitchen remodel Fayetteville is what somebody would be looking for, and how do they find you? Well, Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content that's relevant to the keyword or phrase that's being typed in here. And then Google categorizes those websites based on that. That's how you establish the rank factor. You typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. So let's go over that a little bit. So you typed in kitchen remodel Fayetteville. Of course, you got ads, and then you have the map or the map pack. Being here in the map pack is related to your Google business profile. It generates a lot of traffic right in here, a lot of local traffic. It's based on your area of coverage. Also, citations play a factor in ranking in the map pack. Citations are anything name, address, and phone number that reflect your Google business profile. If you want to be seen for near me searches, you need a Google business profile. Also, the Google business profile is another ranking factor that tells Google that you are an authority in what you're doing. And not only do you have a website, but you have a profile. Underneath the website, underneath the map is where organic rank starts to take place. Aside from an advertisement like Yelp. Now, Yelp and Angie's List and all those are great, but you are sharing your leads with everybody that's in there. So best kitchen remodel near me, there could be 100 people or 100 websites listed under Yelp or Angie or anything else. And so somebody clicks in here, the search for you becomes diluted because you're sharing all of the search that people are looking for within everybody that's in here, not geared specifically towards your particular website. So understanding how somebody gets here on the first page is what's crucial: content, backlinks, and citations. So we have number 2 right here, Kitchen Fayetteville. So we got Cape Fear Flooring, and then we have Home Advisor, yep, house, advertisement, and then we have Kitchen Remodeling Fayetteville, Chapman Wilson, then number 5. So let's take a peek and see how this works. So we have the kitchen remodeling, Chapman Wilson. This is their website. You definitely want to have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on the homepage. A lot of pictures here. Um, what I have is a tool. A tool that I use is called Ahrefs or Ahrefs, however you want to pronounce that there. And this gives me a little insight to behind the scenes as to how a website is being structured and what's pushing it to the first page of Google and how this works. So one of the things I said you need is backlinks. Now, backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website, and Google uses that to build trust in your business. It's important to have the right backlinks connected to you. Not all backlinks are created equal. That being said, for example, you wouldn't want a landscaping company necessarily referring back to you, or a Pizza Hut or some other local business referring back to your website. It won't carry as much weight and as much power as another construction company or remodeling business will. So that's important to have that. We can touch in there for a second just to give you an idea. You want a strong domain and you want traffic. This is per month that these particular backlinks get traffic from. So I mean 18,000 on there. You will find backlinks that don't do much for you, no traffic, not a very strong domain rank. So that's why I say not all of them are created equal. You want to make sure that you have strong backlinks. Also looks like he has 36 referring domains, other websites referring back to him. And this is where the search engine optimization or the keywords come into play. So like I said, every time somebody types into Google what they're looking for, Google, Google is crawling the website looking for the right keywords and content. He has 396 keywords generating 397 views per month to his site. So to give you an idea how this works, let's check this out. Again, the keyword and the search volume per month. Aside from the fact that it's his name, deck builders Fayetteville 100 times a month, vinyl windows Fayetteville 100 times, bathroom remodel Fayetteville 150 times, patio installation 50 times, decks Fayetteville 40 times, sunroom builders 1,000 times a month, kitchen remodeling Fayetteville 80 times a month, siding Fayetteville if you want siding, home improvements Fayetteville 80, deck repair 60, remodeling companies in Fayetteville 100 times, replacement windows Fayetteville 300 times. So you get an understanding that collectively, when you add all this up, that is a tremendous amount of search volume per month that somebody is typing into Google for a service that they're looking for. So it's important to have the right content and the right keywords built into your website so that Google recognizes you and slowly starts to move you in the rank structure and get you positioned on the first page. Keywords and content are a major factor. Also, I think, what was it? Let's see, just to take a look at one other guy. Kitchen remodeling, M&D, kitchen remodeling. Who was he? Floors. That was Cape Fear. Cape Fear flooring. Number 2. So he's number 2. Let's take a look inside what he's got going on. It's got 1.2 thousand backlinks, 911 keywords, 396 views a month in traffic. It's got a lot of words. He's got a lot of backlinks. So he has a lot of referring domains, other websites referring back to him. Creates strong, so it puts him on the first page. Take a look at what he's got inside here for his keywords, just to get an idea. Fayetteville, North Carolina flooring 250 times, flooring 250. See, and you can have flooring Fayetteville, North Carolina flooring. See the play on the words, because everybody types in differently. What you type into Google for a search might be different from what somebody else types in, but you're all looking for the same thing. Hardwood flooring Fayetteville, 70 flooring installation, 60 tile stores, 80 deco planks, dream pantry. So collectively, again, this is what's driving the traffic to his site. This is how Google is recognizing him, and he has 1,000 backlinks. Whoever his marketing agency is just recently added 52 backlinks. He's down 26 views, but he's up 47 in the keywords. So depending on what kind of traffic he's getting, he's got a lot of keywords, 900 something keywords, but his traffic is like 3. And this is the top keywords of the top performers. So definitely he might have more words in there than he needs because the top performers are what's here over the next 6 pages. Epoxy flooring, Cape Fear flooring, free flooring estimates. So hopefully this gives you a good idea of what's going on. You need citations, content, and backlinks. When all this starts to come together, you can see how it'll bring the value to your website. This is how companies get ranked. This is how you get first page on Google, Google Business Profile, name, address, phone number, area of coverage, and then Google starts to see you being referenced more. And when the content and the keywords are correct, that's what triggers and establishes the rank factor and how you move on to the first page of Google. A lot of companies can build a website, and some of them will fall short with the content, and you'll wonder, I got a website built, but I'm not getting any traffic, nothing's getting any better, no calls are coming in. What is going on? It's kind of like having a business card on a desert island. Nobody can see it. So it's important to understand how having a well-built site plays a role in that. Again, and also jumping in with Angie, Home Advisor, and Yelp, you're sharing all your leads there because you're diluted with the rest of the companies that are advertising in that spot. So it's really beneficial to kind of put the work in and get yourself, ranked organically and be seen right there. So all the leads that are coming in from when the people are clicking on your website, they're going to you. You're not being shared somewhere else. Um, I hope that was helpful. I hope you have a better idea and understanding of how that works. If you wanted to talk, get together, go over some realistic goals for your business or what you're thinking about doing if you're looking at building a website, I would definitely be interested in helping you out. And thanks for your time and appreciate you watching the video.